Good morning, dear students and my dear parents. I hope you all are staying safe at home and doing good. Again, I'm here to connect with you all for a very specific celebration which is going to be tomorrow, that is 26th January and our Republic Day. Now, many of us do know what is the importance of Republic Day, but many of us are still not aware. So for you all, dear students, the Republic Day celebration is done every year, and this is going to be our 72nd Republic Day. This is celebrated to actually pay an honor to all those people who had contributed towards the framing of our Constitution. This was the day when the Indian Constitution came into force. We started with our own Constitution, with our own norms, policies, procedures for a common man. So I know that it is a very important day and the celebrations are going to be there, though with a little inhibitions. There are going to be certain rules, certain regulations due to Corona pandemic. But the enthusiasm, the zeal, the energy to celebrate this day is still the same. So students, I know you're going to miss flag hoisting, the guard of honor, the songs and everything which relates to this day. But you know, you have heard, when there is a will, there is a way. So we thought that why not make this day live for you all? Sounds interesting, right? Okay, so we thought that we are going to shoot the event live and we are going to provide you the link through which you can witness the celebration at your school, Millennium World School, tomorrow, and you can see the flag hoisting, you can see the speeches, listen to the speeches and the celebrations which are done by your teachers. Isn't it exciting? I know it is. And though we are going to miss all of you a lot, but still we have a very positive image, we have a very positive feeling that very soon we are going to see you in our campus. So the live show, the timings and everything will be given to you on your WhatsApp group through your class teachers. Be prepared with your parents, with your siblings, friends and families, and witness this day with us. Students, I would also like to tell you that we are moving ahead with a lot of impression that today we need to grow and to grow in every way. Now when I say this, we have planned so many good things for you. We have planned an academic session which is going to be exciting and enriching in every way. I wish you all the very best for the upcoming final examinations which are going to be in the month of March. And before that, make sure that you all are attending your classes regularly, doing all your classworks, homeworks, listening to the instructions, and last but not the least, participating in all the activities. So here is wishing you all from here, my team, the management and the principal, a very happy Republic Day. Stay safe, take care of your parents, of your siblings, of your surroundings. Keep washing your hands using sanitizers, keep wearing masks and keep studying. Happy studying, stay safe. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Sangeeta Dixit. A very happy Republic Day in advance to all of you. Republic Day celebrations at a school often mean a beautifully decorated campus, ribbons and balloons of the national flag's colors, students proudly singing the anthem and looking forward to present some dance and song performances. But this year, COVID-19 has shut schools and added a twist to the 72nd Republic Day celebrations. A large gathering of students and parents was missing as a precautionary measure, but the school authorities are trying their best to make the virtual Republic Day celebrations as lively as possible. Students from different classes are assigned different tasks which will be displayed. This year, we have ensured that fervor of patriotism lives on. Essay, poetry and fancy dress competition organized in the school. In advance, where students have to submit photographs and videos of their entries. The names of winners will be announced during Khula Asman tour. Parents, you need to encourage your ward so that they don't feel the pressure of studies. Thank you.
Good evening everyone and Happy Republic Day to you all in advance. I am Pushpanjali Sharma, Coordinator of Millennium Girls School, Naini, Prayagraj. This National Festival of 26 January was celebrated with great enthusiasm from 1950 to 2020. But this year, this is the first time in history that instead of celebrating this national festival in the school, the children are celebrating this at home. And in my opinion, what happened if there is distance, enthusiasm is the same. During this pandemic has been the same, but there has been no shortage in our education, to which our parents, our children have also fully supported. Let's all pray together that we will celebrate the coming Independence Day with joy in our school with our students. Looking forward to all the child to participate in all the activity. Thank you so much.
नमस्कार आप सभी को, मैं श्रीलता पांडे मिलेनियम गर्ल्स स्कूल की तरफ से 26 जनवरी की आप सभी को हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। 26 जनवरी गणतंत्रता दिवस, जब इसका निर्माण हुआ 26 जनवरी 1950 के गणतंत्रता दिवस से अगर हम इसको जोड़ते हैं तो 26 जनवरी 2020 तक शायद ही ऐसा कोई दिन रहा जब हम सबने साथ में न मनाया हो। इतिहास में पहली दफा हुआ है कि स्कूल में शिक्षकगण समस्त स्टाफ बिना बच्चों के इस बार गणतंत्र दिवस को हर्षोल्लास के साथ मना रहा है। इसका आशय कतई ये नहीं है कि इसमें कुछ कमियां हैं। बच्चे अपने घरों में पूरे हर्षोल्लास के साथ मना रहे हैं तो हम यहाँ। गणतंत्रता दिवस एक राष्ट्रीय त्योहार है। कोरोना के काल में हम ये नहीं कहेंगे कि इसके प्रति हमारी कुछ भावनाओं में कुछ कमी रह गई है। हम यहाँ में, हमारे बच्चे अपने घरों में, हम सभी इसको पूरे हर्षोल्लास के साथ मना रहे हैं और मनाते रहेंगे। हम चाहेंगे कि हमारे अभिभावक और हमारे बच्चे हमें यूं ही सहयोग करते रहें। धन्यवाद।